Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through installing the API on your Ignition gateway so your AI agent can connect to it and start working directly inside your Ignition project. We'll get the API installed, make sure the connection works, and then I'll show you a quick example using our UDT Builder skill. Okay, let's jump in. Start by logging into your portal over at ignitionaiskills.com. Once you're in, go ahead and click download all files. When the zip finishes downloading, open it and find the Web Dev API runner folder. Open that, click through the next couple of folders, and you'll land on a file called paste into Web Dev doPost. That's the code we're going to drop into Ignition. Now open your project in the Ignition Designer. Over in the project browser, right-click the Web Dev folder and choose the new Python resource. We're going to call this one LLMImport. Now this is case sensitive, so type it exactly like you see it on screen with a capital I. Go ahead and click Create Resource. For the HTTP method, pick doPost and double check that the resource is enabled. Now hop back to that code file we opened a minute ago. Copy all of it, come back to Ignition and paste it into the doPost script. If that code isn't tucked underneath that function, the script just won't run. So take a second here, make sure it all lines up before you move on. Once that looks good, save and publish your project. All right, let's head back to the Ignition AI Skills portal. Grab the prompt we provide for testing the connection between your agent and the gateway. You can use Claude or Codex or any other AI agent. The one thing that really matters is that the computer running the agent can actually reach your Ignition gateway over the network. Before you run the prompt, swap out paste gateway URL for your actual gateway URL. Replace expected host project with the exact name of your Ignition project. That one's case sensitive too, so double check your spelling and capitalization. I'm going to speed this next part up for the demo. Your results might look a little different from mine, but you should end up with a summary showing the actions the API supports, along with the health of your gateway connection. Once you see that, you're connected. Now that the connection's live, let's actually put it to work. For this demo, I'm going to use our UDT Builder skill. I'll ask the agent to build a pump UDT with some common pump tags and a few custom properties, and then have it spin up 3 instances of that UDT. For this example, I just copied and pasted the UDT Builder skill straight into the agent. Quick note here, you don't have to drag and drop the skill every single time. You could just ask your agent to install it for you. Once it's installed, you can call it with a / command anytime you need it. And I'm going to speed this part up too. Start to finish, this took about 4 minutes for the second part. Since I didn't point it at a device connection or any other tag source, the agent went ahead and used memory tags for this one. It built the pump UDT, added the tags and properties I asked for, and then created all 3 instances. Let's pop back into Ignition Designer and see what we've got. First, I'll refresh the tag browser. And there they are. All 3 pump instances with the pump tags and the properties we asked for. Now let's check out the UDT definition itself. So yep, the pump UDT is right there. If we open it up and take a closer look, we can confirm the parent data type is correct and the properties came through with the right values. And that's really it. The AI agent connected to the gateway and built these resources directly inside Ignition. And before I wrap up, if you haven't joined Ignition AI Skills yet, right now we're offering lifetime access at a founder price, and that price is going to go up down the road. Your membership covers all the skills we currently offer. That includes a perspective page builder, Python scripting, SQL queries, UDT Builder. There are over 13 skills available right now. You'll also get the API you saw in this video, which is what lets your AI agent create and modify resources inside Ignition. We're wrapping up our Ignition 8.1 skill collection now, and we'll be moving into our 8.3 skills soon. We're kicking that off with the Python scripting skill, and we're hoping to have the first few 8.3 skills ready within the next few weeks. We'll also keep improving the API and filling in the areas it doesn't cover yet. And if you've got lifetime access, all of those future 8.3 skills and API improvements are included. No extra fee when they drop. If you want a heads up when the first 8.3 skills are ready, head over to our Ignition 8.3 page or click in the link below to hop on the email list. We'll let you know the moment they are live. Thanks for watching.